Hi guys, I'm here and I'm back with a new airdrop. So for today's video, I will show you how to join with the Chain Opera AI airdrop. But let's learn about Chain Opera AI first. This is an L1 blockchain and protocol for co-owning and co-creating decentralized AI agent for humanity and backed by Federated AIOS. So on their pinned message, you can learn more about Chain Opera and its use case. So these are very long message, so you can read it on your own, guys, kasi medyo mahaba siya. So right now, they have 225,000 followers on Twitter, and Chain Opera also was able to raise $17 million in their funding and backed by big investors and angel investors as well. So guys, this will take us like less than 10 minutes of our time. So if you have your 10 minutes time right now, please watch the whole video. Guys, since we are going to connect our crypto wallet in Chain Opera to create an account, I'm gonna use my OKX wallet. But if you don't have OKX, you can use Trust Wallet, MetaMask, or BitGet wallet. So it depends on what crypto wallet you're using right now. So let's go to my OKX wallet and let's paste the airdrop link here. So from Discover, let's paste the link, confirm. Once you're on the site, you can see from the upper right part of your screen, click on connect button and click OKX wallet since I'm using OKX wallet now. But if you're using MetaMask or Trust Wallet, please click on wallet connect to choose your preferred crypto wallet. Okay, so let's click on OKX wallet. And yan. Mas maganda talaga siya guys i-open sa mismong browser view ng crypto wallet para mabilis ma-connect yung wallet natin. Kasi try to open the site in Chrome browser but it doesn't work that well. Once your wallet is connected, makikita nyo naman dito yung address ninyo sa taas. Then, scroll down. So, here are the tasks that we need to do to earn more Chain Opera points. So, there are like four tasks available right now. And we may need Discord and Twitter to do this task. If you don't have Twitter or Discord, just create a new one and have it connected in Chain Opera, okay? So that you will get this additional points. So let's do the first task. Join the waiting list. So click on join and enter your email address. Guys, please use your active email address so that you can easily verify your account. After that, click on your roles, for example, AI and user, and click the circle. After that, click submit. We're done with joining the waiting list. Makikita nyo naman guys, nakalagay done. So, once done, ayan, makikita nyo din dito yung points na nakuha nyo na. So, right now, I have 300 points. Next one is follow the Twitter. Click on authorize app. And once done, let's return to quest page. Let's go back to the tasks and click on follow. So you have to connect to your Twitter account first before you can follow their official Twitter account. Ayan, follow. Let's go back. And then scroll down, we still have one more. So join Discord. We are going to connect first our Discord account. So click on connect. Scroll down and authorize. And guys, so authorization successful. Now we can close this window. Once you've connected your Discord account, you can now join to their Discord server. Let's click on connect. accept invite. Yan, accept invite. And oops, verification. Let's go to verification servers to verify our account, and once we verified our account, we can access all of its channels. To verify our account, we just need to click this check emoji below para ma-verify yung account natin. So after that, click done. Ayan guys, automatic na siya. Napakadali lang naman ng task sa verification process. And after you verified your account, let's go back to Opera Quest para ma-claim natin yung reward natin. Once you've connected your Discord account and joined to their Discord server, but it still shows this button here, meron ditong message naman. So, due to large number of users, Discord task status will be updated within 1 hour after the completion. So, you can visit your account after an hour to see if the points is already added to your total balance, okay? And after you do the 3 tasks above, you can see all your total points here and the completed tasks. So right now it's 2 over 4 kasi nga hindi pa naman na-update yung Discord. You can also invite your friends, and every friends that signed up using your referral link, you can get 100 or 300 na points. So, more referrals, more points. That's why if you have a lot of friends, you can reach out to them and send your referral link. And for the bonus task, you can also enter my invitation code and you can earn 100 or 300 na extra points. So that's optional. And this is just all, guys. We can also claim the badge, but it's not available yet. I will update you guys once there are additional tasks that we can do for Chain Opera, and once the badge is already claimable, okay? So if you have questions, please drop your comments below, or if you want to get updated on Chain Opera airdrop, you can follow their Twitter account. You can also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more free airdrops with step-by-step tutorial. And that's all for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you on my next video. Bye!